Pure electric floor scrubber operation instructions. Before using the vehicle, please fully charge it, fill it with water, and check whether the suction cup and other parts are normal. The water level can be observed here. The power can be observed through the instrument panel. Vehicle movement. The first step is to turn on the key switch, turn the key forward, turn on the headlights, and start the vehicle. The key is turned back, the vehicle starts but the headlights do not turn on. Step 2. Select forward or reverse gear. Step 3. Select high speed or low speed. Step 4. Press the pedal to move the vehicle forward, backward. Vehicle operation. Step 1. Turn on the key switch. Step 2. Select forward gear. Step 3. Turn on the dirt suction switch, and the suction cup will drop. Step 4. Turn on the brush plate, and the brush plate will drop. Step 5. Step on the pedal, the vehicle will move forward and start cleaning the road. After the operation is completed, first close the brush plate, move forward a distance, and then turn off the sewer suction switch. Vehicle washing. Click the vehicle flushing button, and the high-pressure water gun at the rear will spray water to clean the vehicle. Vehicle maintenance. Replacement of baffle rubber. Open the buckle and replace the baffle rubber. Adjust the screw here to adjust the height of the baffle rubber. The vehicle water tank needs to be checked and cleaned regularly. Replace the brush plate. Remove the fixing screws. Remove the baffle. Rotate the brush plate counterclockwise and replace it with a new one. The vehicle filter cup needs to be checked and cleaned regularly.